Hey, g'day guys. Just walking on my beach path here. The ocean's just there, you'll see the blue. And I'm right here, as you can see on the edge. Didn't even realise, walked past this fella. And this is an easy, close to 6 foot brown snake. They're probably one of our most deadly venomous snakes in Australia. It's the 5th day of winter, so this beautiful brown snake, now it's just starting to wake up a little bit, because before I started filming there was no tongue action. The head had moved a little bit, so now it's getting a scent of me. So this snake would have been coming out of the scrub here, and it's just warming up, ready to get some energy and probably look for an afternoon feed, or to strike at someone like me. I literally was, the footpath is here, you can see here. So this is a magnificent example of our brown snakes. So I'm very fortunate, and so was anyone else walking past. Again, there's the path that I was on, and here's this very impressive, close to 6 foot long brown snake. So there are a couple of people coming with pets. I'm going to let them know, but because he's warm. A brown snake. Yeah, so very lethal. So you can see he's just got enough energy now to go. Look at the size of him as he stretches out. You can see from the tail end. Yeah, he is a monster. There you go. Oh, look how quick he went then.